Welcome back to TBOQ Crochet. In today's video, remember the bag that I was working on in the live, the little mini bag with the small bag bottom? Well, this is it. It's finished. This is a little, I call them queen mini bags. She is lined. She has an inside label, a tag, TBOQ tag, as well as the acrylic TBOQ tag. And she has some sisters to go with her. So I finished this one, and this one. Now, this little queen cutie, this was one of the first mini bags that I made, and I just had her out to make sure that I still had the pattern in my mind, and that I was making them correct. The only difference I did with her, she is made with a 5mm crochet hook, whereas these are made with a 6mm crochet hook. So this is yarn that came from Temu. This is not a sponsored video, but if you are into crocheting with t-shirt yarn, like I said, it's not a sponsored video, but I do kind of like Temu's acrylic yarn. I mean t-shirt yarn, not acrylic yarn. T-shirt yarn. The yarn, it doesn't come with a color. Usually just a number. So you have to kind of like, maybe this color is close to like a canary yellow almost. But it is a beautiful fall color, and I decided to line her with that fabric. But like I was saying, this yarn came from Temu. It is actually a good soft t-shirt yarn to work with. I believe it has like 2% of silk in it. So, you know, it's really soft and durable to work with. This one also, this is Temu's yarn. I ordered from the same company. And this is her lining. It has like, this is like a peachy orange, like a burnt orange color. And that's her bottom. She has like a metallic gold bottom. And this is the red one. Also comes from Temu. She has a black bottom. And this is her inside. Really pretty. And that's the acrylic tag. Now this yarn, this came from Temu as well, but it came from a different company. As you can tell by the yarn, I want to show you the yarn and talk about it for a little while. So this is the yarn. It's like a ribbon. It's very thin, but it's chocolate brown in color. Like I said, it's more of a ribbon. But the thing about this ribbon, when you crochet with it, it looks like, or the finished product looks like, or it mimics leather. So they call it like a faux leather ribbon, I believe is what they call it. I did chocolate brown on the bottom, and this is her inside. I think this came out really, really cute. The only thing about this type of ribbon when you crochet, it's kind of tough, especially because I did single crochet, but I did single crochet in between the stitch and not in between the chain, like a regular single crochet is crocheted. So it made it a little difficult, and I had to complete this bag with using a 4.5 millimeter hook, just because I had to get in between the stitches. And like I said, it was kind of difficult working with this yarn. I had to really, really take my time. It took some time to get in between the stitches like I wanted to. But I think she came out really, really cute. You know, she's kind of smaller than, and I did do the same pattern, but she came out smaller because, of course, the yarn or the ribbon, it's a ribbon which is thinner, so therefore she came out a little smaller, but the pattern and stuff is still the same. I probably would have went up more than 12 rows like I did with the other bags, but like I said, it was kind of tough working with it, so I just went up the 12 rows like I usually do with this pattern, with this bag, and that's it, because it was really tough to work with. But needless to say, she came out really cute. Her inside has like a light brown with a what they call it, I forgot the kind of design. This is Celtic design. But anyway, yeah, I decided to do the light brown in here with the colors. I just think that it matches up really nice with those bags. So these are all great fall colors. I will try to have these listed in my Etsy shop sometime probably by the weekend. Today is Tuesday. It's the 14th, and yeah, it's the 14th. So hopefully by the weekend, these will be listed and available. I probably will be making some more. I think I want to do like a purple and some other colors. I think I have some more bottoms that I can use to make some more mini bags. I do have, I think, two or three other colors that I did with the first ones, and they are already available. Just so if anybody wanted to purchase, you can just go to my Etsy shop. It is the Beauty of Queenz Crochet on Etsy. You can follow me, like my shop, And you can DM me or message me on all my social medias at the Beauti of Queenz Crochet. The only social media I'm not on is TikTok. I've been thinking about it, but I'm not sure. But as of right now, I'm just on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And we are getting close to 100 subscribers on YouTube. So therefore, I will be coming with my giveaway rules and my giveaway posts that you guys can actually enter the giveaway. The giveaway is for a market bag, and I will have a picture of it in the post, but it's for a market bag. It's a really nice large market bag. And so I will do another video talking about the giveaway and showing the market bag. But for right now, I thank all my subscribers, and I thank you guys for just all the support you have given for this channel thus far. But these are the mini bags, and they will be up this weekend, hopefully, in my Etsy shop. Like I said, you can follow me on all social medias. You can DM me if you wanted to make an order. If you see a mini bag and I don't have your color, you can specify a color for me to make for you if you wanted that. I think I'm going to also add something different to these mini bags, and that is some type of charm on them. I'm just not sure. I have to come up with it. Or I might just leave them with the tag hanging. I'm not sure. I wanted to put a little charm on these, but I'm not for certain yet. But they will be up and available, and I might just make the charm something that I add, and just if somebody places an order, then they'll get a free charm or whatever to go on the bag, something like that. But anyway, that is it for this video. If you like what you've seen in this video, like I said, these are the Queen mini bags, and there's more already listed. And if you like these, but I don't have your color here, hey, DM me. Say, hey, look, you don't have my color. I would like to make a purchase, but I would prefer this color. Or if I don't have a lining, if you suggest a certain lining that you want in it, and if I don't have it, I'll try to get something close to it, just so that I can make sure that your bag that you are requesting is to your liking. So yeah, this is it for this video. Please like, comment, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. I really enjoyed the live. I keep saying it's the end. But I really enjoyed my live this past Saturday, so I just want to thank everybody for engaging with me on my live. And yeah, that is it for this video for the third time. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Before I go, stay safe, stay blessed, and know that you are a queen. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.